Hey guys, today's tutorial is a quick one about how to create straight lines inside Affinity Designer version 2. And we're starting with a new clean document. And to create those straight lines, you need to go to the pen tool right here. And if you're now creating with the pen tool, you see you don't have straight lines. So instead of just simply clicking, you need to hold down so we're deleting this one first. You need to hold down the shift key while creating. So we're clicking for the first node, and then if we're holding down shift, we see we have a perfect straight line and we can move it in 45-degree angles like this if you move it up, and we can create straight lines like this in any distance we want. And after that, we can select a color for our stroke. So for example, we could make it red in this case. We can go to stroke and we can adjust our stroke. So for example, set up the PT to make it bigger. So for example, 3 or 5, change the cap, and we can do anything else we want to with this pen tool. We can also use it with the nodes. By holding down shift, you always get straight lines in Affinity Designer version 2. And if we want to make this straight line into an filling, so not a stroke like we have right here, we can go to layer right here, we can go to expand stroke, and now we see we have a new object like a rectangle. We can change the filling, and we have 4 nodes now made out of this straight line. And that's gonna do for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next video, and bye.